Today, I'll be sharing one of my favorite quick and easy makeup look for college under 500 rupees. So, all the products that I'm using will be under 500 rupees. But before we start the makeup, let's prep our skin using cleanser, moisturizer and sunscreen to make sure your skin stays healthy. Step number 1, primer. I will be using a matte primer because it stays for a really long time and is the best product if you have oily skin. So, let me take some primer on my hand and apply it all over my face with my fingers. It also helps to keep your foundation intact for a long time. Step number 2, foundation. It's time to use a foundation. Make sure you never apply too much foundation because it will make your look very cakey. So, apply small dots of foundation on your face and blend it with the help of a blender. Step 3, eyeshadow. Okay, since it's a college look, let's keep the eye makeup very minimal. I'm taking this pink shade and with the help of my brush, I'll apply it on my eyelids and blend it well. Now, I'm going to apply my eyeshadow under my eyes. Step number 4, Kajal. I'm going to apply Kajal on my lash line and now I'm going to spread it upwards using my fingers. This will give you a nice smudge look. Step number 5, mascara. Mascara is a must-have if you are looking for a minimal look. If you're not comfortable with Kajal, you can put only mascara to make your eyes look sharp. Take some mascara on the brush. If you have too much of it, remove the excess and apply it on your lashes. Start applying from the outer part of your lashes and slowly move towards the inner part. Apply it on your lower lash line as well. Step number 6, highlighter. I know it's a minimal look, so I'm just going to apply highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes. So, with my pinky finger, I'm going to take some highlighter and apply it in the inner corner of my eyes. Don't press it too hard. Just dab your pinky finger and it will be done. You can also use a brush to apply highlighter. Step number 7, blush. Now you can take any kind of blush. I am applying a cream blush. Let me put it on my cheeks and on my nose, then blend it with my fingers. This will give a natural tan look to my face. Step number 8, lipstick. Okay, I love nude shade lipsticks and it's ideal for everyday and college looks. So, first I'm going to dab a little highlighter on my cupid's bow with my fingers as it helps to give the illusion of fuller lips. Now, I'm going to use a lip liner on the border of my lips following my lip shape. Then, let's apply the lipstick on the lower lip first and press it against the upper lip. And it's done. It's time for my final look. I hope this college makeup routine will make you look super gorgeous, that too under 500 rupees. So, are you planning to try this look? Before I go, here's a quick recap. Step number 1, primer. Step number 2, foundation. Step 3, eyeshadow. Step number 4, kajal. Step number 5, mascara. Step number 6, highlighter. Step number 7, blush. Step number 8, lipstick. Don't forget to share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content. Bye!